In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do Etsy keyword research with Sales Samurai. By the end, you'll know how to install the Chrome extension and use it right on Etsy to find keywords with real search demand and understand what your competitors are targeting. Start by opening a fresh browser window and searching for Sales Samurai. You're looking for the official Chrome Web Store listing for the extension. On that page, double-check that you're installing the legitimate tool by scanning the description and reviews. This helps ensure you get the correct extension and avoid lookalikes. Click Add to Chrome, and when the browser asks for confirmation, choose Add Extension. Your browser will quickly download and enable it. If you see a brief notification, that just means it's ready to go. Some users like to keep extensions visible for convenience. Whether you pin it or not, the important part is that it's active so it can enhance your Etsy experience automatically. Now head over to Etsy.com and type a seed keyword into the search bar. A seed keyword is a simple, broad phrase that describes your product, like a product type, material, or occasion. As you type, the extension will display an estimated monthly search volume directly in the search bar. Treat these numbers as directional estimates to help you compare ideas at a glance, rather than absolute counts. Next, click on the keyword you entered. You'll see a drop-down menu appear with related keyword suggestions, along with their search volumes and competition levels. This is where the tool shines. Look for phrases that balance solid demand with manageable competition. Longer, more specific phrases often show clearer buying intent and can be easier to rank for. Jot down a handful of promising options and note why they stand out, such as a good volume to competition ratio or a strong alignment with your product's features. When you open a specific product listing on Etsy, Sales Samurai will provide insights into the keywords and tags that competing shops are using. Use this view to spot patterns and opportunities. Recurring tags signal what's working in your niche, while gaps reveal phrases others may be overlooking. Pay attention to variations like materials, styles, recipients, and occasions. Rather than copying, use these insights to refine your own unique keyword strategy and strengthen your titles and tags. That's the full workflow. Install the extension, enter a seed keyword on Etsy, evaluate volumes and competition in the suggestions, and analyze competitor tags on individual listings. Repeat this process with a few seed ideas. Keep buyer intent in mind, and favor keywords that clearly match your product. With consistent research, you'll build a keyword set that drives more qualified traffic to your shop.